Imagine transforming your health journey simply by putting one foot in front of the other. The 10,000 Steps Challenge does just that, an accessible milestone with the potential for surprising benefits. Stick with us to discover how a simple daily walk can make profound changes to your health and lifestyle. The 10,000 Steps goal dates back to 1964, originating from a Japanese company selling one of the first commercial pedometers named Manpo-K, meaning 10,000 step meter. This figure was chosen, not from science, but because it's catchy and memorable. Yet today, it's widely accepted as a benchmark for daily activity and personal health. So how did it become a gold standard? Walking is a simple, low-impact form of exercise that you can do anywhere. It helps maintain a healthy weight, prevents or manages heart disease, and even boosts your mood. Long-term, it's been shown to enhance brain function and lower the risk for chronic diseases. You might be surprised that this straightforward activity is your gateway to a healthier, more vibrant you. Regularly walking 10,000 steps a day can significantly enhance your fitness levels. It increases endurance, allowing you to engage in more intense activities with ease. Over time, you'll find that your stamina isn't just for exercise. It becomes a consistent part of daily life, making everything from grocery shopping to playing with kids more enjoyable. Please share in the comments. How many steps do you average per day? Let's motivate each other. Walking does wonders for mental health. It reduces stress, anxiety, and symptoms of depression, all by simply moving your feet. The rhythm of regular walking synergizes with deep breaths and the neural benefits of being outdoors, fostering a sense of calmness and releasing endorphins. Consider it a natural prescription for peace of mind. A great strategy for weight management. Walking burns calories effectively. More steps equate to more calories burned, contributing to a caloric deficit that leads to weight loss. It allows flexibility in routine without drastic shifts. As you progress, those steps become not just numbers but markers of progress on your fitness journey. The information shared on Anea Healthy Living channel is meant for educational purposes and should not be construed as medical advice. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new exercise regimen or treatment. If you have any concerns about your health, please consult a qualified healthcare provider. Feeling sluggish? Incorporating daily steps can brighten your day by enhancing your energy levels. The benefits extend beyond physical exertion. Walking clears the mind, lifts your spirits, and heightens alertness. The consistent habit of walking can be your go-to boost for staying upbeat and resilient, day in and day out. Your heart loves regular walks. Each step strengthens it by increasing the heart rate, improving circulation, and reducing unnecessary fat. The cumulative effect not only fosters a robust cardiovascular system, but also decreases the risk of heart disease, leading to a healthier, longer life. Let's hear from those who've embraced the challenge. Meet Sarah, who balanced her busy life with walking and found unexpected serenity. Or John, who, through walking, reclaimed his health and energy. These stories aren't just inspiring, they're proof of the transformative power walking has on lifestyle and well-being. Struggling to fit in more steps? Start small. Park farther away, take the stairs, or opt for a walking meeting. Integrate these habits into your routine and soon enough, hitting your steps won't seem like a task. Remember, little steps accumulate to reach big goals. Today's technology makes tracking steps a breeze. Whether it's a smartwatch or a simple pedometer app, these tools keep you motivated and accountable. With real-time data and reminders, they transform your daily strolls into a fun, rewarding health adventure. Consistency is key in any health regimen. Create incentives and set mini-goals to stay engaged. Remember, every step is progress. Partner with a friend or join a walking group. Community often cultivates accountability and makes the commitment all the more enjoyable. Challenges like weather or time constraints are common stumbling blocks. Tackle them by having a backup indoor route or breaking up your walks across the day. Remember, adaptability is vital. Overcoming small hurdles builds resilience in your fitness journey. Walking is more than just a movement, it is a statement of self-care. Each step you take strengthens your heart, clears your mind, and brings you closer to the healthiest version of yourself. If this video inspired you to take action, keep the momentum going. Watch my next video, where we explore other small daily habits that can lead to significant health transformations. Remember to like and share this video with someone who could use a little motivation to get moving.